sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Volkswagen Passat. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front fog lights, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.